Unit 12.
Audible. Audible is an adjective. Audible means capable of being heard. The music was audible down the street. Now you say the word. Audible. Audible. Consume. Consume is a verb. To consume is to eat or drink, especially in large amounts, to use up, or to destroy. We plan to consume an early dinner. Now you say the word. Consume. Consume. Glide. Glide is a verb. To glide is to move smoothly and easily. I watched the speed skater glide around the rink. Now you say the word. Glide. Glide. Origin. Origin is a noun. An origin is the cause or beginning. The origin of chocolate is the cocoa bean. Now you say the word. Origin. Origin. Prevent. Prevent is a verb. To prevent is to stop something from happening. Waterproof boots prevent feet from getting wet. Now you say the word. Prevent. Prevent. Punctuate. Punctuate is a verb. To punctuate is to mark printed or written materials with periods, commas, and other signs. To punctuate is also to give importance to something. Be careful how you punctuate your sentences. Now you say the word. Punctuate. Punctuate. Representative. Representative is a noun. Representative means a typical example. A representative is someone who acts for another. She was the company's representative at the meeting. Now you say the word. Representative. Representative. Representative is an adjective. Representative means having to do with elected members or being a typical example. The painting is representative of pop art. Now you say the word. Representative. Scorn. Scorn is a noun. Scorn is a feeling that something or someone is worthless or inferior, or an expression of that feeling. It is not right to treat those who are less fortunate with scorn. Now you say the word. Scorn. Scorn. Scorn is a verb. To scorn is to act with contempt toward an object or person, or to make fun of. I wish they did not scorn my old bicycle. Now you say the word. Scorn. Stout. Stout is an adjective. Stout means large and heavy in build, physically strong and sturdy, or having courage or determination. The stout old maple stood in the meadow. Now you say the word. Stout. Stout. Woe. Woe is a noun. Woe is great sorrow or suffering. Woe also is trouble. I felt such woe when my poor dog died. Now you say the word. Woe. Woe.